Hi, I'm Malcolm from RACT Insurance and I'm here today to talk about a crucial part of our homes, Flexi hoses. We'll explore where you can find them and ensure that they are in good order and repair. These flexible connectors might seem inconspicuous, but they're pivotal in our homes, linking our water supply to taps and fixtures. While they're indispensable, they also need regular checks. We recommend replacing Flexi hoses every 5 years, and you can typically find them under your sinks, vanities and attached to your toilet system. If you're inspecting these yourself, only check the ones that are within easy reach. If it's difficult, call a plumber. Always be on the lookout for rust spots, bulging areas, frays or kinks. These are all signs that the hose needs to be replaced, and always let a professional handle that. A burst Flexi hose can quickly turn into a homeowner's worst nightmare, flooding your home and potentially causing significant damage. Should this happen, your next immediate step is to shut off the water supply line located near the meter box at the front of the home. Then it's crucial to call a plumber for a replacement. Get in touch with your home insurance provider as soon as possible. If the damage is significant, they can guide you on what is covered by your policy and initiate the repair process. Another preventative measure is installing a pressure limiting valve, positioned near the water meter on the cold supply line to the home. While you can buy one at a plumbing supply store, always have it installed by a professional. So there's our quick guide on Flexi hoses. Remember, a little attention can prevent a major mishap. And until next time, stay dry and we'll see you soon.